What is up, guys? We're out here at Crab Island today, hanging out for a second. We're gonna try to put some dead shrimp on a sabiki rig and jig up some pinfish or some live bait to take offshore, maybe catch some grouper, a few snapper. But we gotta have this live bait. So my buddy here, Garrett, is the king of catching pinfish. So hopefully we'll jig some up. Tighten your drag up. Alright, so we got some pinfish. Oh, that one's big. But we need those little tender ones down there. That's what the grouper like to eat. So that's pretty good, man. Like I told y'all, Garrett's the king of pinfish. What an unbelievable sight this was. As we were headed out to the reef, guys, these dolphins come right up to the boat. So I tried to stick my GoPro down in the water with them, and they were real curious. One of them actually put his nose on the GoPro lens. I mean, it was really awesome. I've never seen wild dolphins do this before. I've gotten close to them and they swim under the boat and around the boat, but I mean, this is probably the best dolphin footage I've ever recorded so far on any fishing trip. So I hope you guys enjoyed this piece. Guys, so we are fishing about 3 miles off Destin. We found some beeliners. We had some ballyhoo squid, live pinfish, but what really seems to work is the squid for the beeliners on a high-low rig. And we're gonna try to we are surrounded by dolphins also, which isn't a good thing. They are sitting right under the boat waiting on us to throw fish down. Oh, that's the Atlantic bottlenose.
Right under the boat.
Wow. Psycho, man.
Right there, right behind you.
Guys, what kind of fish is this? Look at this thing.
He's pretty. Look at the blue in him.
Yeah, he's really pretty.
Wow. Crazy colors on this fish. Almost. We're about a half a mile from the reef. What's up, guys? We're using the Simrad Go 7 series, and it's real easy to use. I'm going to show you how to. See, I want to get here on my spot, and once I'm there, I'm going to look for fish. You see the fish arcs right there? Go ahead and drop them down, guys. Drop them down. Right on top of them. See the big piece of structure there, and there's a lot of red, a lot of yellow there. We're probably on a big pile of beeliners right there. So, Simrad, definitely awesome. So we're just going to drop down and hopefully we can hang out on this reef for a minute. See who pulls a fish up first. It usually takes them a few minutes to get to the bottom. The wind's picking up. Trust your fish arcs. Trust your structure. You hooked up? Garrett is hooked up. Getting the way around the front there, buddy. Alright, so we got some bites, a couple of hookups. I don't know if he lost the fish. I think he lost the fish. We're actually drifting over another little reef. I've got 3 of them together. Looks like Ryan is hooked up. Guys, trust your fish. Supposed to have been 1 foot of sea today, and I'm looking at 3.5 footers right here. So far it's been a good day. We got about 10 beeliners, caught a bunch of weird looking reef fish, and we're gonna drop down one more time and we're gonna head in for today. Oh man, look at this swell right here. That's a 4 footer all day. Oh man. Out of Destin today, which we're about 3 miles offshore. Where I live in Mobile, Alabama, you'd have to drive 25 miles to get in water this deep, and I wouldn't want to be that far offshore with the water this rough. Alright guys.
Drop him?
Yeah. Go ahead and drop them down.
Guys, I'm gonna catch the first fish.
Already got the first fish.
I know. I'm gonna catch the first one out of this pack.
You gonna catch the last one, you mean?
Yeah.
We're on a kelp bed, it says right here on the screen. I'm gonna go to structure and echo and see what it looks like.
Anybody get right?
We hadn't quite drifted over it yet.
It's trying to bring me some pan pants. I wish I would have.
Get a bite? We're about to drift over the spot where we had caught all the beeliners. There's something down there at the bottom. Ain't a whole lot of something, but there's something there. Alright, definitely starting to see something on the screen now. Big fish arch toward the bottom. Big structure. Wow, look at that. On top of something. Y'all ain't getting a bite? Shouldn't something be hitting it right now because we're on top of something. A whole lot of something.
I'm getting no bites.
No bites?
There's no way that they could have took me
Don't take you out of the back.
Yeah, there's something there, Blake. I don't know. It's just not biting, but there's a lot of something there.
Well, you give it up.
What an awesome day fishing. It was my first time taking my wife's family out, and they've never went offshore fishing. They really enjoyed themselves. My son caught his first triggerfish. It felt like a center block for him to pull up off the bottom. Blake caught a ramora. We caught some strange looking reef fish. I don't even know what this thing is called. If you know, comment below. We caught a lot of beeliners. We were targeting beeliners with a high-low rig with squid because right now that's about the only thing in season. We did catch a grouper, pretty good size, and Garrett also caught that. My youngest son, he was 9, and just a really good day of fishing on the water. Didn't run into any storms, and we had a good time. Clean triggerfish, and you can catch these on a high-low rig with squid. And look at the teeth on these things. You don't want to put your finger in there, and they'll take your finger right off. What is up, guys? I hope you enjoyed that video. We were in Destin, Florida, fishing about 3 miles offshore. How unreal was those dolphins, man? They come right up to the GoPro. I've never had wild dolphins come up to my boat that close and get close to the camera like that. I've seen them go under the boat, I've seen them around the boat, but man, that was just really awesome. We were fishing with the high-low rig once we got out there. And if you're not, some people call this a chicken rig if you're not familiar with the high-low rig, but it's real simple to make. All you're gonna do is start from your braid up here at the top and just go line down, make one dropper loop, and you're gonna put one hook there. And you're going to go down about 18 inches and you're going to put another dropper loop there. And I'm using a 4/0 Demon Circle hook, and I have about 6-7 ounces of weight on the bottom, just depending on the current. You can put a snap swivel on here if you have some large weights. I don't have any more, so I had to put these egg weights on, snap swivel, and I just put this on there for a little extra weight, 1 ounce. But yeah, that's it. High-low rig using squid. We were targeting beeliners because that's the only thing in season right now, unless you want to catch amberjack, and that's way out. But when you have kids, man, and you're fishing with squid on a chicken rig, man, and they're pulling up beeliners or vermillion snapper 2 at a time, I mean, they're having a blast. They love it. My son Garrett's 9, and I think he's going to remember that trip the rest of his life, no doubt. He caught his first triggerfish today, which was really awesome. He caught a grouper. My brother-in-law caught a ramora. It was a really good time on the water. And as far as my channel goes, I really got some good things on the way. I do have to purchase another GoPro because I'm not getting the battery life I want. And if you guys know any better cameras besides the GoPro, let me know. I want to get the GoPro Hero 7 Black. I have the silver now, and I want the black to get the, all the upgraded options that it has. And also, it would be nice to have that extra camera because my GoPro now, it just seems to go dead all the time after about 2 hours, and I'm hooking up on good fish and I can't record them because I have no battery left. So I'm going to work on that, and I'm going to bring, I'm trying to be better at my editing on the videos, and I'm going to bring more types of fishing to the table. I'm going to start going way offshore and catch some monster fish. So I hope you guys enjoy the channel. It really takes a lot of time to edit these videos, so if you enjoy them, please like and subscribe, and I will keep these videos coming. Have a good day. Get out there and fish. Enjoy yourself. I just want y'all to know that I do like this channel, and I'm going to continue doing it as long as I can. So hopefully we'll have a lot of interesting adventures along the way. So have a good day.